Hello, it's Dr. Boris from Dr. Boris Medical Spa Newmarket. So there's always a story behind anything, and the story here is we had clients that they are asking us why you're always doing medical thing, why you're not giving us any chance to relax. We need to relax at your place. You have a beautiful place, very relaxing, nice and clean and comfy. Why we don't have any relaxing services? And we thought about it and we said, yes, people want to have this one-stop shop. This is why we introduced other services like eyebrow waxing and eyebrow tinting and microblading. So for this, I start doing some body wraps. And as you know me, I'm very selective in what I'm doing. So I did my research and my homework, and I found a nice made in Italy line which has all the essential oils and it has all the treatment, and we're gonna have very luxurious body wraps which is gonna be engaged with some massages as well. We're doing this for you guys. We would like you to come here and relax. We'd like you to get your group of ladies or your couples to come and relax with us. And if you like it, please come back. It's Dr. Boris from Dr. Boris Medical Spa. Wait for the new wraps. Get relaxed.